Welcome to Kerala, God's own country. A land where nature meets culture, from lush green hills and tranquil backwaters to vibrant festivals, classical dances, and centuries-old traditions. Whether it's the aroma of spices or the charm of houseboats, Kerala is an experience you'll never forget. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 hotels in Kerala. Handpicked for their breathtaking locations, world-class amenities, and unforgettable hospitality. Let's explore the most stunning stays Kerala has to offer. At number 10, Springfield Billets Hotel, Kochi. Located in the heart of Kochi, Springfield Billets Hotel combines cozy charm with modern amenities. The hotel boasts elegant rooms, prompt service, and a peaceful ambience perfect for business and leisure travelers. With beautifully designed interiors and a serene atmosphere, it's a perfect escape after a day of sightseeing. Nearby attractions, Fort Kochi approximately 14 km, Lulu Mall, Idapalli around 7 kilometers. Number 9. Homestead Homestay, Fort Kochi. Experience authentic Kerala hospitality at Homestead Homestay in Fort Kochi. This charming homestay offers a warm, traditional setting with homely rooms and personalized care. Surrounded by heritage buildings, this is the place to experience colonial architecture and local life. Nearby attractions, Santa Cruz Cathedral Basilica just 550 meters. Princess Street about 1 kilometer away. The number 8, Nambiar's Hotel, Kochi. This is ideal for travelers who prefer simplicity, cleanliness, and affordability. With well-maintained rooms and quick access to Kochi's central spots, it's perfect for exploring the city while enjoying a comfortable stay. Nearby attractions, Mangalavanam Bird Sanctuary around 3 km. Ernakulam Shiva Temple close by 1 km. Number 7, The Trios Hotel, Kochi. They offers a blend of style and convenience in Kochi's vibrant cityscape. It features tastefully decorated rooms and attentive service, making it a reliable option for both families and solo travelers. Nearby attractions, Cherai Beach around 7 kilometers. Matancherry Palace approximately 11 kilometers. At number 6, Hotel C7, Munnar. It offers panoramic valley views and a peaceful stay amidst the hills. With a mix of heritage charm and modern comfort, this hotel is ideal for nature lovers. Wake up to mist-covered mountains and unwind in cozy rooms after a day of adventure. Nearby attractions, Attukal Waterfalls 8 kilometers. Echo Point 18.5 kilometers. Number 5, Kurinji Wanderlust Resort, Munnar. This boutique resort is a hidden gem nestled among tea plantations. Kurinji Wanderlust Resort offers unique, cabin-style rooms with wooden interiors and open views of the surrounding hills. It's an ideal retreat for couples and solo travelers. Nearby attractions, Rose Garden half kilometer. Munnar Nature Trekking Adventure 1 kilometers. At number 7, the Lakeview Munnar Resort. Nestled on the slopes of Munnar's Mishti Hills, the Lakeview Munnar Resort offers a serene and romantic getaway. This resort features spacious, well-furnished rooms with private balconies that open up to mesmerizing views of calm waters and lush green valleys. The peaceful ambience is perfect for couples and families looking to relax and reconnect with nature. Whether you are sipping tea on the balcony or taking a morning walk through the gardens, every moment here feels like a postcard. Nearby attractions, Matupeti Dam about 13 kilometers, a perfect spot for boating and panoramic hill views. On number 3, Tea Garden Riverside, Munnar. A peaceful stay near a quiet river, Tea Garden Riverside gives you the true Munnar experience. Surrounded by lush greenery and bird calls, it's a great pick for nature lovers and families. Nearby attractions, Munnar Hiking Trails 300 meters. Tata Tea Museum 2 kilometers. Number 2, East End Hotel, Munnar. Tucked in the heart of Munnar town, East End Hotel is a blend of comfort, elegance, and accessibility. The hotel offers well-appointed rooms, a charming garden area, and warm hospitality that makes you feel right at home. With its classic interiors and peaceful setting, it's ideal for both couples and families. The in-house restaurant serves delicious local and continental dishes, and its central location makes it a convenient base for sightseeing and shopping. Nearby attractions, Munnar Town Market just 200 meters away, perfect for picking up local spices and souvenirs. Blossom Hydel Park approximately 2 kilometers, a scenic spot for nature walks and family outings. Finally, our number 1, Cloud Castle Resorts and Spa, Munnar. Experience luxury at Cloud Castle Resorts and Spa. With beautifully crafted interiors, mountain views, and relaxing spa facilities, this resort is perfect for couples and families seeking a memorable vacation. Nearby attractions, Attukal Waterfalls 9 km, Dreamland Adventure Park 13 km. Whether you're in Kochi or Munnar, these hotels offer the perfect base to explore the magic of God's own country. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.